Hello and welcome everyone to this video on CRUD operation in SAP Web Dynpro, Create by ZaranTech. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will tackle a fundamental aspect of Web Dynpro development, that is CRUD operations. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update and Delete. Mastering these operations is crucial for building robust and interactive Web Dynpro applications. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of implementing CRUD operation step by step. You will learn how to handle user input, managing data storage, and ensure seamless data interaction within your application. We will cover everything from creating new records and reading existing data to updating and deleting entries completely with practical example and best practices. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of CRUD operation in Web Dynpro, empowering you to develop more efficient and user-friendly application. So in this video, we will focus on create. So let's jump into our screen. Firstly, I will show you, I have created a table for you. This is our table which I will use to update, to create new records. So these are the fields in this table. So I will show you data in this table. Let me execute. This has 3 records, John, Carl, and Jack. I will create few more entries in this table. Another thing I have done beforehand is I have created a class. The class name is ZWD class 1, and I have created a create record method. And in this table, I have written a logic for creating a record. I will explain this logic later on. Firstly, I will move to our SCAT. So this is our SCAT. I will come to our view, which is main. Here I will go and create a context of the dictionary structure. The dictionary structure will be the table which I have already shown you. So the name of the node will be ZAY_tab, and the name of the table is also ZAY_tab. Here I will go to add attributes from structure. I will include this field. I will not include mandate because it is not required for now. And cardinality will be 1 to 1 and selection will be 0 to 1. And I will save it. So we have created a context. What I will do, I will go to layout section. Here I will create a group UI element, group 1, and the UI element type will be group. So a group has been created. Here I will be able to give some label to it. The label will be create. So label is appearing here. Now what I will do, I will click on group and I will create a container form here. So in context, I will read the use the context which we have created, ZAY_tab, and see binding is already created. And see, yeah, everything is coming here. What I will do next, I will go to do one other thing. I will create a button here also. By clicking on that button, we will be able to create a new record, and I will give the type will be button. So what I think what I need to do is whenever we click on the button, we will be able to create a new record. So text will be create, and one thing more we have to do is we have to create an on action for it. So in on action, I will create a method that will be create rec. So let's save it and let me activate it. Firstly, I will show how it is looking in our browser right now. So see, this is our application. See, all the fields are coming here. Only the description of phone number is not coming. So I've already told you if this label is not coming. See, I think label for property is given, but label is not appearing. What we can do is we can give a custom label also. So I will give custom label as phone number here, and let me save it and let me activate it. So see, our design has been complete. ID is here, employee name is here, employee is here, phone number is here, and create button is here. But now currently there is no logic on this create button. So what we will do, we will go and write logic for it. So for writing the logic, what we will do, we will go to on action, and here, first let me choose the button, and here we will be getting an option to create an option which we have already created, create rec here. And here I will come, and what I will do is I will read the context node, because we have to read the all the values which we will be giving on our UI, on our display. So we have read the record, and now what we have to do is we will use our method which we have which we were already created in a global class. For calling the global class method, we will go to pattern. Here I will choose a web object patterns, and I will choose tick here. Here I will be giving our class instance, class name, and method. I will press F4 here. See, we are getting all the methods in the class. I will choose create record, and I will give it here. As soon as here the exporting parameters asking here, so I will pass the I will pass the table name from here. See, this is our work area in which we will getting the record from our UI. I will give it here. So I will give a comment also here, calling global class, because here we have called the global class, and upper code is for reading the context node, so reading the UI elements. So now I will go and show you what I have written in the create record method. So I will go to SE24. Let me go to SE24. So this is create record method. I have given one parameter, that is importing. Here we will import the ls tab from our from our code, and here what I will do, if ls tab is not empty, means if there is any record in ls tab, then what I will do, I will modify our ZAI, which is our database table, from our ls tab, and I will commit the work. So this is the logic which I have written in a create record method. I will show you the parameters. Parameter is ls tab of importing type, and associated type is the name of the table which we have created. So yeah, this is all about the logic part. What we have to do is, now I will activate this our Web Dynpro component, and now I will go to browser and show you. So we have 3 records. I will create a new record. Let be ID be 10, and I will give name as Jenny, and employee age be 34, and phone number be, let be phone number be random number 67676767. Okay. Now I will click on create button. So this record should be automatically created in a database table. So I will go to our table. This is our table. I will go here and I will click on this button, execute. See, a new record, Jenny, has been created. What I will do, I will create one more record to show you, give you more detailed information. See, 1, 2, 3 student ID is coming. I will give an employee ID as 04. And I will give the employee name as, let me give, I'm not getting a name. Let us give it Avi, and employee age be 24, and number will be 9090909090, and I will click on create button. So as soon as click on create button, see, there is no record coming here, but what you have to do, you have to refresh the table. Here is the option of refresh. So as soon as I will click on refresh, a new student has been created in our and new record has been created in our table. So that's it for create, and I will show you read, update, and delete in the later part of this series. So this is all for create record, and in next video I will show you how to read a record from a table in a Web Dynpro component. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.